This is the first launch of a black powder engine on a modified Olympus rocket. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
This is the second launch of the black powder engine on a modified Olympus rocket. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. This is what happens when we put a small engine in a big rocket. So show me the engine.
This is the black powder engine. You take a starter, which is this thing. You put the pieces that are stuck together inside the engine and put this plug to keep it in place. This keeps the engine there when it's going up. Use the launch lug to put it on the pole. Now, you take these two things, put them directly onto the starter things. Then you come over here, take the key and put it in the controller. Check for lights.
Okay. Tell us what you're going to do now.
I am going to launch this model rocket.
Which launch is this?
The third.
All right.
But, oh, hold on, just do something. Dead, stop.
Yeah.
Stop filming. This is the third launch of the black powder model rocket engine on the modified Olympus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Okay. That was the
engine mount.
we just lost the engine mount. We have glue.
And an even bigger crack.
All right. Well, we're going to have to repair her. All right. What do you have there?
This is a composite engine and the starter for it.
Okay.
You put the starter in the composite engine, and this little piece right here should go in all the way. And it's firm and stuck in there. It's locking out. And you put it in the engine mount tube where it's there to stay.
Okay. Now what else do you do?
Now you take some wadding.
Now what does the wadding do?
The wadding protects it from everything on the inside burning up.
Okay.
So you put it in here.
And the wadding, it looks like,
Toilet paper.
but it's
It's fireproof toilet paper.
okay.
You put the streamer in.
Now what's the streamer for?
Streamer is a recovery device. You can use a parachute if you like, but streamer makes it come down faster, but not like it's about to hit the ground without anything to save it.
And what's that that white thing?
This is the shock cord, which attaches the nose cone to the body.
I see. Okay. So then you just put that together?
Yep. This is the first launch of a composite propellant on a modified Olympus. 3, 2, 1. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Almost.
Everything seems to be in shape.
No damage?
The fins are a little bit charred, but
Okay. And you could see the smoke coming out, so clearly the wadding worked.
yep.
Okay.
This is the second launch on the composite propellant on a modified Olympus. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
That went directly in.
I believe we have a lawn dart. What's the condition?
Condition is everything's okay.
Where is the...
Ultimate.
Oh, it's shoved all the way down in there. Okay, that's okay. And the wadding is actually still... It's pretty amazing that this is so fireproof. Okay.
This is the third launch of the composite engine on a modified Olympus rocket. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, wait. Whoop, there we go.